Let's go through the details about how to define functions using Python. Here are some of the simple rules you need to keep in mind while defining functions in Python. Function blocks begin with the keyword def, followed by function name, and then parentheses. You can see the parentheses here. Parentheses is nothing but circular brackets. While defining functions, we need to specify parameters in these parentheses. So in this case, sales amount and commission percentage are parameters which needs to be passed while invoking this function by the caller. The function specification ends with colon. You can see here. There is colon here. This ends the function specification. And then finally we should have a return statement to complete the function logic. It typically exits from the function and goes back to the caller. Between the function specification and the return statement, you typically have the business logic. In this case, the business logic is nothing but to compute the sales commission amount using sales amount and the commission percentage. If the commission percentage is none, then we just want to return 0 as commission amount. Otherwise, we want to multiply sales amount and divide by 100, which will actually give us the commission amount based on the commission percentage. That being said, we can create function like this. The body of the function primarily have the logic to compute the commission amount. This is a ternary operator in Python. You just have to have the value for the true condition, then if, then condition, then else, then the value for the false condition. In this case, if commission percentage is not none, then it will execute this. Otherwise, it will just return 0. As the function is created, if you want to see the details about the function, you can just give the function name like this, and it will give some details about the function. You can see the function spec here. It takes 2 arguments. Now you can actually run this, and you can see that the commission amount is displayed. If you want to use typical if condition, this is how it will look like. The spec and the return statement doesn't change, but the way if condition is implemented is changed here. If commission percentage is not none, then commission amount equal to sales amount multiplied by commission percentage divided by 100. Otherwise, commission percentage is equal to 0. Even this one will give the same result. When it comes to return statement, you can not only have the variable or object, you can have a function call to another function, or even a complex logic like this. So even this one will work without any issues. We do not have any function body. We directly specified the business logic as part of the return statement itself. So this is how you can actually define the function in Python.